If I have a socket that is configured in shift mode and I want to move it back to power mode, I just need to find the release and pull that dial out of the socket. Now if I turn it over, you can see I don't have the red lock plugs in that reel. So what I'm going to do is take my click tool. I'm going to insert it into the grooves on the shift ring. We have videos for this. I'm going to turn it and depress it down into its little lock position. And what that does is it opens up the recess for the red lock plugs to be inserted. Now because fingers are big, sometimes it's easier to just install a screwdriver into one of those lace ports. It just locks it in place and opens up some room. Now I can take my red lock plugs and just insert them into those two locations. I can remove the screwdriver and then I can reinsert that reel into the housing. Now, this reel only operates in the power mode. Easy way to adjust a device so that it only operates in power mode. Now, what if I want to take a socket from power mode only? This reel always is clicking, always clicking. So we know that it's only in power mode. It's locked into power mode. It's not difficult to turn this reel into shift mode. What I'm going to do is just give myself a little bit of slack lace, and then I can release the reel from the housing. Now you can see, give myself just a little bit more slack lace, you can see this reel has the red plugs. Well, I can just remove those red plugs using a screwdriver. Now I've activated shift mode. So if I put this click reel back into the socket, so now you can see the reel will wind up that lace silently for the quick uptake of that panel. Then it'll start clicking. Now I am driving in the micro-adjust mode. I can unwind, I can wind in order to create the type of adjustability I need throughout the day. And then when it goes silent, that's when I have that quick lace release. So that's the process of taking a reel from power mode into shift mode.